Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, SweetsThaQueen. Welcome back to my channel, SweetsThaQueen DIY. I know it's been a while, but I'm here to give you guys another video. Today, I'm doing another nameplate, a custom nameplate that I painted. This time is for a gender reveal. Here, I have my cutouts for what I'm going to be using, prince or princess, that I'm going to be gluing to my easel, or my mini easel, and I'm taking some Loctite spray adhesive to spray the names on. Don't let the editing fool you in the time lapse. Make sure you guys, use the instructions on the can. You have to spray and then wait, and then spray and then wait, for different types of adhesive, levels, So here I'm placing the names on the plate, the prince, and then followed by the princess. But yeah, you guys, like I said, you have to, follow the directions on the can. Spray, I have to cut, wait, don't do what I did. Now I'm getting everything lined up and glued down, and then I let it dry. I think I let it dry overnight if I'm not mistaken, but I'm not sure. But definitely you want to let things dry before you start painting. Here I'm setting up my colors. I'm using Arteza acrylic paints that I got from Amazon. I'll try to put the link down below. It may be a little hard, you guys, because I don't have access to my laptop. So a lot of things are kind of hard for me to do right now as far as like linking things in videos, but hopefully I'll be back soon. I decided to paint the pink on the print side and turn around and do the blue on the princess side, to give the contrast of, the prince of the princess. I didn't want to do pink on pink, I used a small brush trying to be very careful in between the layers, but I did kind of mess up in some spaces, which I had to clean up later. I went in with my big brush, of course, you know, to take up less time for the rest of the space. And then I decided to add some glitter as well to each side, so I'll be adding glitter too. Now on to the other side, I'm using light blue to paint in between the pink letters. Again, I'm about to come in with the glitter. I use the darker glitter for like darker than the pink on that side so it can stand out. Again, I use the Arteza paints, acrylic paints from Amazon. I will try to link them below once I get my computer. Now I'm going on to the darker pink and the darker blue for the outside border. Now, just to add a little, celebration, I'm adding some graffiti of the same colors to each side. Some little balloons, some little stars, because Prince or Princess, it's a celebration, very festive. I tried to make it, but not overdo it, I ended up trying to use these paint markers to try to outline where I had overdid with the painting of the letters earlier, but I didn't like how the markers shone, so I ended up using something else. This ribbon bow that I had for like a gift bag had like the perfect colors, like it had like the pinks and the blue, so I thought it would be very cute to try to add this to the bottom. So I just measured it, and now I'm on to the other side, the other border, painting it dark pink around the light blue. My apologies for it being so out of frame, you guys, but this is what we're working with. Okay, sorry. So to fix the mistake that I made earlier with the other markers, I decided to use a thin Sharpie black to outline where I kind of bled over with the paint on the letters to kind of clean it up and give it like a clean, to make the letters stand out more versus the pink and the blue that I tried to use. I just opted for the black. After outlining with the black, I decided to then now go and cut and prepare my ribbon so I can place it at the bottom to give it a festive look. I tried using a regular mini stapler. Bad idea, you guys. Bad idea. So I had to use my staple gun. I probably have to do that off camera because it takes some, power work and all that. But yeah, you guys, definitely do not try to use a put mini stapler on this. I tried to get the staples just right, you know, to make sure they were straight, make sure they were inside the wood and not on the sides sticking out. So I had to take some time doing that. To finish it off, like I do all my nameplates, I always spray paint everything in clear, like a clear coat to seal everything in. And also what I did to cover the staples, I covered it with bling wrap, but I didn't get to show that on camera, so I'm sorry for that. But here is the finished product, all sealed with clear adhesive, clear spray paint. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.